Are you interested in cryptocurrencies but have no funds? In this video, you can find an answer to the question of how to make a profit without funds. Let's take a closer look at the Midle project where you can earn money without an investment. Midle aims to support projects while promoting and marketing blockchain-based projects. Midle is a Web 3.0 based marketing platform that brings together DeFi or crypto communities, enabling crypto users to interact with projects and people in the crypto ecosystem. It supports various Layer 1 and Layer 2 networks. In addition, if you do the simple tasks required to be done on Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, Discord, and GitHub, you can earn some profits with the points you have accumulated. So, how Midle is used? To open an account in Midle, enter the midle.io site, the link of which we left in the description box of the video. Click on the Create an Account button. After specifying the account name and the password, click Confirm. Enter the validation code sent to your email and click Confirm again. Thus, we created our Midle account. Before moving on to other stages, it is necessary to complete some main quests. Note that these quests are one time only. Push the button of Connect Twitter as it appears on the screen and press the Authorize App button. In this way, we have linked our Twitter account to Midle. Push the Connect Wallet button and choose a wallet. We preferred the MetaMask wallet. Click to Sign button. Therefore, we have linked our MetaMask wallet. Push the Connect Telegram button. Select the country and then enter your number. Then click to Next. After confirming your Telegram account and the phone application, press the Accept button on the screen. Thus, the Telegram quest is completed. Click to Connect Discord, then press Authorize button. Now the Discord quest is completed. Push the Connect GitHub, then press the Authorize Midle Official button. Finally, we have completed the GitHub quest. As a result of completing all the main quests, we earned 1300 points. From the Daily Quests tab, you can see the daily quests. After completing the tasks here, press the Continue button as it appears on the screen. As a result, your score is reflected in your account. We can obtain tickets with the points we earn as a result of the tasks. With these tickets, you can participate in weekly and monthly giveaways. We press the Enter Now button to participate in weekly giveaways as shown on the screen. Remember that every ticket you use increases your chances of winning. Select the number of tickets you want to use and click Enter. This is how you enter the weekly giveaway. In order to participate in monthly giveaways, it is necessary to collect 5,000 points. If you complete 5,000 points, you can participate in these giveaways. You can also create your own guild or join other guilds. Depending on the success of the guilds you join, you can also earn additional earnings. The best 3 guilds are rewarded. That's why it's important that you join a guild. After pressing the guild button, you click Join of the guild you want to join. Then you leave a message and click to Send Join Request. It's that simple. So, how can you create your own guild? After pressing the Guilds button, click to Create Guild. After entering your name and the guild message, simply click to Create Guild. From the Leaderboards tab, you can view the leaderboards for both players and guilds as shown on the screen. Also, you can view leaderboards categorized by all-time and monthly scores. That's how simple the platform is to use. If a project wants to be included in this service, it can provide this service free of charge during the beta period. All the project has to do is send an email to the address business@midle.io. Dear Global Trade War subscribers, in today's video we talked about Midle project. It is worth mentioning that the information contained herein does not constitute investment advice and you should do your own research before investing. Don't forget to mention your questions on the description box and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.